Hello, good morning to all. Very good morning. Hey, everyone. Good morning, Anna, Ezekiel, Anushka, Abigail. Everyone, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
A very good morning. Okay, for Anna, good morning.
Good morning.
Joshua, enjoying. Abigail, Hannah, everyone, good morning. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, we were doing some questions. Yes. Okay, we'll do this question. And who will make the diagram? Now, who will make the diagram? Oh, Ezekiel. Today, Ezekiel will draw the diagram. Okay, Ezekiel. Yesterday you didn't join the class. Why?
Sir, like I waited till 10:35 when the class will start, so I thought it's not there, so I just went out.
No, we start the class at 10:36. Is it
At?
10:30?
No, when I was in at 10:30, the class was on.
Anushka, when we start the class?
Or maybe my clock was fast, I don't know.
At 10:35.
10:35. Okay.
Last week you started before that.
Yeah. I mean, I start the Zoom meeting before that, 10:32 or 10:33, I guess. And then we start the class at 10:35. Okay. So, Ezekiel, your turn. Quickly draw the diagram. Okay, I'll allow the annotate. And you guys, please do it. Okay, don't wait for Ezekiel. Okay, I mean, you guys do it in your notebook if you know the answer. Everyone turn on your camera, please. There for Anna. Sir, my laptop is very slow. Can I put my camera? Here for Anna. Turn on your camera, please. Draw the back. Physical stage is yours. Who will read this? Abigail, are you there? Can you hear me? Yeah. A for Anna. Can you read this question?
The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building.
Yeah. So Ezekiel, how will you make the diagram? Can you hear me, Ezekiel? Am I
Yes,
audible
sir.
to you?
Yes.
How will you make the diagram? Any idea?
No, sir, I get confused in making diagrams.
Just make building and tower, no?
Um, how will I make a building in tower?
Don't draw the real building and tower. Just draw the line.
One second. Sir, can you do this, sir? I'll do the next one.
Okay. So I'll ask A for Anna to draw the diagram.
Sorry, I just read the question.
Okay, so H for Hannah. Then read that. Then draw the diagram. Come on, H for Hannah.
I'm not sure if the height is supposed to be this.
No, they won't be equal. See, one angle is 60 degree and one angle is 30 degree. So if the angle is 30 degree, then it means that this much height will be there. If angle is 60 degree, then it means that this much height will be there. That you have to decide which one is greater. Okay, shall then I will draw the diagram. I will draw the diagram. Okay, it's okay. Perfect. See, guys, it is written that there are two things are there. One is tower and one is building. Now I make one is small and one is big. Why? First of all, the angles are different. You can see here is 30 degree and here is 60 degree. So the angle matters. So it means that the bigger, now it is saying that the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. So it means that this is the building. Okay, can you tell me why it's a building? Why this is building? Because how much angle is creating 30 degrees. So it means that building will be smaller than towers. Understood, guys? No. Yes or no? Because if I will make an angle with this, then it will be 30 degree. From the top of the building to the foot of the tower, angle created is 30 degrees. Understood? Yes or no? Now, second is saying the angle of elevation from the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. The top of the tower, this will be tower to the building is 60 degree. Guys, did you understand why I took tower? Okay, Abigail will explain me again. Abigail, why I took tower as higher than building? Can you tell me?
It's 60 degrees here. So if
Yeah.
it's higher only we can see.
Yeah, if it is higher, then only the 60 degree. Like if this is 30 degree mouth and this is 60 degree mouth. Why? Because 60 degree will make a higher building. So it means that's why we took tower height as longer than building height. Guys, did you understand? Ezekiel, now you understood? So I got the diagram. What is the diagram? Ezekiel, did you saw the yesterday's screen?
I couldn't see it, or I saw some of it.
Okay. So now, how will you solve this? So first of all, in triangle ABC. Now it is given that the theta is 60 degree. I'm talking this triangle. I'm talking about this triangle. Okay, guys? This triangle. So theta is 60 degree. Anything else is given? Even the height of the tower is given. Even the height of the tower is given, which is perpendicular is equals to 50 centimeters. And what is base? Base, I don't know, which is equals to this. So which trigonometric function we will use? Ezekiel, could you tell me? Quickly, which trigonometric function you will use in this?
For which one, sir?
For this triangle, which trigonometric function we will use?
We can use.
Where is it? Is it tan?
Yeah, we will use tan. Why we will use tan? See, tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base, and we are just playing with perpendicular and base. There is no use of hypotenuse. That's why we use tan. Okay, so it becomes tan 60 is equals to perpendicular, which is 50 upon base. I don't know. It will become root 3 is equals to 50 upon b. B can be written as 50 upon root 3. into root 3 into root 3, which will become 50 root 3 by 3. This is the base. This base is 50 root 3 by 3. Guys, did you understand? No, you didn't understand thing. Please ask me. Everyone, now I will talk about this building. So, in triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, now what is given? Theta is 30 degree. DB, which is a perpendicular, I have to find. And BC, which is the base. And just now I got the value, which is 50 root 3 by 3. So, Ezekiel, which trigonometric function you will use in this?
Sir, can we use perpendicular by base?
Yeah, which trigonometric function
Tan
is that?
theta.
Yeah, so we'll use tan theta. Good. So, tan 30 is equals to perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Perpendicular, I have to find base is 50 root 3 into 3. Now, if it will go to that side, so it will become like this. 50 root 3 divided by 3 and then divided by root 3. Okay. So now if I will solve this, so can I write like this? 50 root 3 by 3 divided by root 3. So 50 root 3 by 3 into 1 upon root 3. Root 3 and root 3 will cut. It will become 50 by 3. Which means that it will be 16.67 meters. This is the height of the building. Guys, did you understand? Guys, cows, did you understand?
Sir, can you explain again from tan
Which?
30 degree?
Okay, so tan 30 degree can be taken as perpendicular upon base. Now base, I just now I found which is 50 root 3 upon 3. So it's in denominator, it will go into numerator. So 50 root 3 by 3 divided by root 3.
What is denominator, sir?
This is denominator, na? This whole thing is denominator. Na? It will go to the numerator.
Okay,
1 into 50. So 50 root 3 by 3 and the whole division by root 3. Okay, Abigail, it's okay. Not turn on your camera. I know that your net is not working today. Okay, it's okay. You have an excuse. Okay. Can you hear me, Abigail?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Perfect. So now this divided by root 3. Now root 3 can be written as like divide is there. I have to change it into multiplication. Then I divide by. I wrote root 3 by 1 as 1 by root 3. And then this root 3 will cut. So 50 by 3 equals to 16.67 centimeters. Meter. Understood, Ezekiel? No. Everyone write it down. Quickly write it down. Ezekiel, I think you are not doing regular studies nowadays. Is it true? Huh?
well, yeah, I
Now,
was kind of busy. We were in my mother's home, so like in Kerala, it's Onam, right? So for the vacations, we had gone, and I was not able to focus very much.
now, fit then you have to focus now. Now you have to work hard to be with your friends. Otherwise, you will be behind. And this topic is very easy. If you will see the videos, if you have time, if you will see the videos, then this chapter is very easy. Is it? Everyone. Simple. You have to know how to make a diagram, and then you have to solve it. Simple. No answer. That's simple. Okay. Now I will give you one question. Okay, now you have to draw the diagram, Ezekiel, okay? Shall I use this, guys? A for Anna, understood? Today we'll complete this chapter. Today it will complete. So, Anushka, your trigonometry is over. Are you excited? Or you didn't get anything in the trigonometry?
No, I got a lot of things. I just need to practice.
Yeah, practice is important.
Yeah.
Anna, hey for Anna, need practice in the trigonometry, okay?
Yeah, sir.
This Saturday I'll take definitely a class for you. Okay. And we'll do the chapter number 17, which is left. No, second one.
So can you take it in the evening? I may have
In the
the
evening.
practical exams on those days.
Evening, I have my worship practice. I'll try to make it 6, 7 p.m. Then we'll check it out. Okay. Okay, Ezekiel, draw the diagram. And Abigail, please read the question. Okay, it's okay, Abigail. I guess today your fight is with your network. Okay, go to the BSNL office and say, sir, what are you doing, sir? I'm not able to take my online classes, sir. Simple Zoom doesn't need any hard network. Can you hear me, Abigail?
I can hear me.
I can't hear you. It's like your DP. I mean, guitar. I mean, the sound is like guitar. Okay. Ezekiel, draw it quickly. Anushka, read
Yes,
the
sir.
question, please.
Find the angle of elevation of the top of a tower, which is 103 meters high from a point at a distance of 100 meters from the foot of the tower on a horizontal plane.
Yeah. Ezekiel will draw the diagram now. Unmute your mic, Ezekiel, and draw it quickly.
So what distance is 100 meter from a point at a distance of 100 meters? I understand that part.
From the
Point at a distance of 100 meters from the.
foot of the
Okay,
tower.
understood.
Draw here.
Sir,
Yes.
could you read the question again? I mean, explain the
Find,
question. Sorry.
yeah, you have to find the angle of elevation. If height is given and base is given.
Okay.
So you have to do it.
So can you mark the height of the tower?
Yeah. What is that? Can you tell me? I'll write it down.
100 root of 3 meter.
100 feet of view. Then
And then the point of elevation is 100 meters, like the from the foot of the tower.
like this, you think? Am I
Yeah.
correct?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm correct.
Okay. So now you have to find this angle of elevation, which is theta.
Yeah.
How will you find that? How will you find Ezekiel? I'm asking from you. Today, you are my strong target. Yes. How will you do this, Ezekiel?
Can we just find the identity and like that?
Mm, Okay. Try it and quickly tell me how will you do this.
I got the answer, sir.
You got the answer. Very good. What's the answer? Jahan, what's the answer? You can, if your network is not stable, I know you are traveling, so you can write on the chat. Hannah, you got the answer? H for Hannah? Uh-huh. Very good. A for Hannah? You got the answer?
Still
No, you didn't get the answer.
Still doing it, sir.
Okay, do it quickly, do it. Abigail, you got the answer?
No, sir, I don't know how to do it.
Okay, you don't know how to do it. Good. Very good. Anushka,
Yes,
you
sir.
got the answer?
Yes, sir. I'm still doing it.
No. Ezekiel?
No.
Okay, so Ezekiel will assist me in this question. Okay. So for example, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So in triangle ABC, we are talking about in triangle ABC. Now, what is AB? Which is perpendicular because I have to find theta, now, so I'm taking as this. It is 100 root 3 meter. Theta, I don't know. Okay, and what is BC? BC is the base, which is 100. Now you have to choose that trigonometry because there is no role of hypotenuse in this. Why? Because nothing is given. We have to use either perpendicular and base. So tell me the trigonometric function then in which perpendicular and base are used.
Tan.
Yeah. So it's gonna be tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Now what is perpendicular? 100 root 3. What is base? Root 3. No, 100, sorry. So tan theta is equals to this 100 and this 100 will equal is equals to root 3. Now tell me when tan theta is root 3. When tan theta is root 3? If theta is equals to 60. Because tan 60 degrees is equals to, we can do like this. Theta is equals to tan 60 degrees. This and this will cut. So theta is equals to 50.
So,
Yeah.
so the theta is equal to 60 degrees at the angle of elevation.
Yeah, this is the angle of elevation.
So how did you get it at 60 degree? You got tan theta equals root of
Root
3,
3.
right?
Now, what is the, like in 10 table, when the root 3 will come?
Oh, okay, okay. Got it.
At 10, 60, 10 and 10 cut, theta equals 50.
Okay.
Abigail, got it? Jehovan? Okay. Now, next diagram, Abigail will draw it. Next diagram, yes, please.
The beginning part, like, I don't get what you're trying to do. You're just trying to find theta, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, what do you want to understand in that?
It's like, I'm kind of confused with what the steps you did.
Just give me a second. Yeah. Say it again.
I'm kind of confused with what the steps you did, like, to find theta.
See, perpendicular is there and base is there. So which trigonometric function will use for the perpendicular and base? Tan theta. So I wrote tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is equals to 100 because perpendicular is 100 root 3, base is 100, 100 and 100 will cut. So what will remain behind? Root 3. Now when tan theta is root 3 at 10, 60 degrees, 10 and 10 will cut, theta is root 60 degrees.
Okay.
Next. Sketch pen. वो आदि यूज करते ना आई मीन मार्कर बोलो ना Abigail, platform is yours. Ezekiel, draw it in a notebook.
Okay, sir.
I'm coming in 2 minutes. अगर बन गया तो थोड़ा सा मुझे दे देना अभी बहुत भूख लग रही है आज मेरे को Yes, guys, don't turn off your camera. I mean, sir will go and everyone will like, okay, just turn off the video off. Video off, video off. What is this behavior? Huh?
Sir,
Yeah?
you didn't have breakfast?
No, I didn't. I have breakfast. I mean, halwa was there, but that was not enough. I just have 4 to 5 spoons because I was getting late.
Okay.
That's why. I'm just
Very,
today
very
morning.
hungry, sir. I heard.
Yeah, I want to eat poha, and I mean the chef is making poha. I said, brother, give me some poha because for the kids we give midday meal, na?
Oh,
So we make extra. So we make extra for the teachers also, and so that kids can have their like in their houses they always eat tobacco to fulfill to like stomach. I mean to fulfill their needs in stomach because it's very cheap here. I mean the kids are eating tobacco, so for that to stop that we started to give fruits to them one time midday meal time.
okay.
So that's why the
Who is
chef was
eating
looking
tobacco,
for
sir?
kids.
Are eating tobacco?
Yes, they are eating tobacco.
Like you mean the drug?
Not
Not the
drugs.
drug,
Drugs are
the
different.
tobacco, the smoking thing.
Yeah, tobacco. It's not
Ah.
smoking. It's not smoking.
No, the leaf, right?
Yeah, the leaf, tobacco leaf.
Ah.
So they eat tobacco. I mean, they are at the age of 10, 10, 12, but they are eating tobacco. Because here, what is the tobacco come at 5 rupees or 10 rupees, okay? So what mommy papa used to give? Oh, we have to make food. We have to bring rice, chawal, dal, chawal. Oh, don't give them. Just give tobacco because tobacco will. I mean, you will not feel hungry when you will eat tobacco. It's like that. So even the diet will become very low because tobacco will affect all these things. No? That's why. Okay. So it's a correct diagram. Very good diagram. I mean, proud of you, Abigail. Okay. So now how will you solve this? Now in this, Anushka, what trigonometric function you will use?
Does the hypotenuse count in this?
Yeah, this is hypotenuse which you have to find.
Um, do we use sine?
Yes, correct. Okay, so first of all, every time, guys, you please give the name, and nobody is giving the name to the triangle. You have to give the name.
What
So
do you mean?
in triangle ABC, the name is like this: A, B, C, or P, Q, R, any name you can give. Don't give name Ezekiel because sir said no. It's not like that. You have to give the name of the corners A, B, C. Okay. So in triangle ABC, theta is equals to 60 degree. perpendicular is given is equals to 100 meter, and hypotenuse we have to find. So you have to check which trigonometric function has perpendicular and hypotenuse. It's sine 60. The sine 60 degrees is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 is equals to perpendicular is 100 upon hypotenuse. So it will become h is equals to 200 root 200 by root 3. Now to simplify it to make like this, it will become 300 root 3 by 3. Yeah. Do you understand, guys? Yes or no? Have you understood? A for
Understood.
Anna? Sorry?
Understood, sir.
Very good. Okay, we'll do the last question. And this question I will not do on the board. You guys tell me the answer, okay? Yeah. Now you guys do it and I'll not do it. And you just tell me the answer. Everyone do it, turn on the camera. Detail, turn on the camera. Turn on the camera. Good morning, Jagovan. Quickly do it, guys. I will not do it. You guys have to tell me the answer. Hmm?
Done, sir.
What's your answer?
50 root 3.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So this is your homework. Okay. Page number full exercise you have to do. I mean, many questions we did from the exercise also. So it will be easy for you. And terminal exercise. Doubt class will be on Monday. Today is Wednesday. You guys have 4 to 5 days to complete these questions. Okay, guys? Okay. Everyone got the same answer?
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
Okay. What's the problem, Anna? What diagram you make?
I think I'm kind of confused with the diagram itself.
This is 60 degree, and this is 50 degree, and this is fine. What is saying? At a point 50 meters away, this is 50 meters away from the base of the tower, and observer measure the angle of top of the triangle is 60 degrees. I find the height of the tower.
So like what thing should I use, like sine theta or something like that?
So you tell me, this is perpendicular and this is base. So which trigonometry you will use?
Tan theta.
You only give me the answer. Understood, guys? No. Understood, guys? Now tomorrow we will start a new chapter. So Anna, which chapter you were left? Can you tell me? In maths,
I kind of forgot the one thing.
I guess it's
I
chapter
think the
number
ninth lesson.
9th, and one more say was there. Let me check your WhatsApp. Give me a second. 12. 23 is done. 17, yeah, 17. Let me check the 17 chapter of our brother. Okay, so we'll do the chapter number 17. Okay, chapter number 17, which is secant, tangents, and their properties. It's very easy chapter. There is no problem in that. Everyone note this chapter number 17. Tomorrow we'll do. Your doubt class will be on
Which chapter, sir?
chapter number 17. Okay, so
Chapter
everyone,
number 1?
7,
Okay,
17.
17. Okay.
Yeah.
Which chapter is it, sir?
Okay, secant, tangent, and their property.
Okay.
So I mean, it will take 4 to 5 days.
Okay.
Not 4 to 5 days. Yeah, 4 to 5 days. And then this chapter will also be completed. Okay. The doubt class will be on Monday. Okay, of the trigonometry chapter. So please be prepared and solve the question. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the class. And then bye. Have a nice day, Anna, Abigail, Anushka. Triple A. Bye. Then you guys have
Yes,
4 minutes.
sir.
Then come back.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Guys, quickly come back, quickly come back. We start our class. Okay, so we did the reaction of acid with metal. Yes, we did reaction of acid with metal. Whenever metal reacts with acid, it gives metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Yes. Right. The first one was so metal like zinc plus acid like HCl. When it reacts, then it will form zinc fluoride plus H. What zinc did? Zinc displaces H from the HCl and make zinc chloride and H2. So this is what when metal reacts with acid. Understood, guys? Yes. Now, okay. So we'll take one example. See, guys. So how like there's a test for hydrogen. The test for hydrogen is, for example, so this is a test tube. In this test tube, there's a liquid called as HCl. Okay. And if I will add zinc flakes into it, okay, this is what this is zinc flakes. So as I told you, which gas will evolve? Which gas will evolve? Can you tell me, guys? Unmute your mic and tell me. Hydrogen gas will evolve. Now, if you will bring a candle near to it, and if you will bring candle near to it, okay, then you know what will happen. There is some pop sound will be there. Which sound? Pop sound. Pop sound will produce. Okay, this pop sound, basically what's the reaction is going on? The reaction is hydrogen gas which is released and the oxygen, because candle is working in the form of oxygen, it creates H2O, which is a water. So it means that when they are burning, they create water vapor and the pop sound will release it. Understood, guys? Yes or no? No. Could you write it down? Okay. Now the second property. Now second property is reactance of acid with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. See guys, acid react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbon. We have to check this. Okay, now how will you check this? See, whenever acid, like if I will take acid HCl, or okay, first I will write this. See guys, whenever acid reacts with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, two products are same. Two products are same. First is carbon dioxide and hydrogen, H2O. So carbon dioxide gas will release and water. These two things are fixed. Okay, whenever acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate or metal carbonate, these two things are fixed, which is carbon dioxide and water. These two things are fixed. Now one metal salt will form. One metal salt will form. So for example, acid like HCl when react with metal carbonate. What is metal carbonate? It's MgCO3, metal carbonate. CO3 is basically carbonate group, okay? Having a valency -2, and hydrogen carbonate is CO3 having valency -1. Okay. So whenever they react, what will happen? What will happen? This Mg will displace H from its compound, making M3Cl2 plus, as I told you, carbon dioxide gas and water gas. Understood, guys? Carbon dioxide and water are fixed whenever metal carbonate. Okay, I will ask one question from you guys. Like if we are taking HCl and Na2CO3. So what are the byproducts? Ezekiel, what are the byproducts? Tell me quickly.
So what?
What are the byproducts? What are the products? Like here we did now MgCO3 plus HCl to give MgCl2, CO2 and H2. So here what is the byproduct if HCl is reacting with Na2CO3?
What will be it, sir? I'm not sure.
See, this Na will displace H from its compound. What will form? NaCl.
Okay.
Okay. And CO2 and H2O are always same. Understood, guys? Yes or no? No, Ezekiel didn't understand something. Ask me, Ezekiel. You're mute.
I understood, sir.
Then tell me this equation. Now,
Sir?
HCl when react with, yes?
So Na is sodium and that in HCl became NaCl, right?
Yeah,
And then the carbon dioxide and how did that come?
H2O. These are the fixed products. These are basically the fixed products. And how they came? They came when the CO3 splits into CO2, and then one O is like H we have, and then O will join here, so making H2. Understood? No,
So that won't change, right?
that won't change. Whenever metal carbonate reacts with acid, this will be the same. Now tell me the next equation, please. So what zinc will do? Ezekiel. What zinc will do?
It will react with HCl.
Yeah. Then
Zinc chloride
yes, zinc fluoride.
plus CO2
Yes.
plus H2O.
Yes. Correct. Understood? Okay. Could you write it down? H for Hannah, you got it? No.
I got it.
You wrote it down? Ezekiel, shall I write it? Now, we learned in the previous question that carbon dioxide will breathe. But how will you know? You can't see the carbon dioxide. There is a test for that. It's called as test for carbon dioxide. What is that? Test for carbon. Now, for example, there is a test tube. In this, I took an HCl. And I put some salt, which is called as Na2CO3, which is also called as sodium. Okay, I took Na2CO3, which is also called as sodium. So guys, now next is this. What I did, I took one experiment. Okay, I put a cork on the tube. It's a cork, cork. Wine bottle basically has cork, like written cork. Okay, and from the cork, I a test tube. Like, okay, like this, I took test tube. I make another test tube and I put taste into another test tube. And in that test tube, there is a snake line. So can you tell me what is the formula for the snake line? Anybody? Do you know what is snake line? Snake line or live water? Do you know the formula? Hannah, as for Hannah, you know the formula?
I'm not sure the formula, but I know it turns milky white when there's carbon dioxide.
Yeah, the formula is CaOH whole plus. So now listen, okay? Everyone, please understand it like this. See, what I did, I did a reaction sodium carbonate plus HCl. So which gas will release? Ezekiel, could you tell me which gas will release in this?
Which one, sir?
I did sodium carbonate with HCl. So which gas will release?
Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride is a salt. The gas I'm saying.
Okay.
What gas was there? Tell me. Which gas released?
Carbon dioxide.
So carbon dioxide gas will go through this test tube and it will travel through this test tube named as flake line. Now what will be happen in this that when this flake line, which is CaOH whole twice, reacts with the carbon dioxide, it gives uh, compound called as CaCO3, which is called as calcium carbonate, or we can understand it like this. It is also called as limestone, okay, or marble also. Like you can say marble. So this will form. Now you guys tell me, okay, this forms because there is this now. Why this forms? Because it's a reaction between calcium hydroxide and oxygen, and it gives milky white color. Which color? Milky white color. Now, because of milky white color, this compound is formed, which is called as limestone. Okay, and marble is formed. Understood, guys? Ezekiel, you didn't understand thing. Please draw it. This is important. Please draw it. Okay, done. Done. Shall I this? Ezekiel, shall I this, beta? Are you writing or not?
Yes, you can erase it. I already wrote it.
Okay. Now I will show you an experiment. I want to give credit to like I will show you one video so that you can understand it. One second. And I want to give this video credit to Elmo Aster. Okay, so I want to give credit. So just give it. Okay, so I want to give credit. So this is one video in which we will perform experiment. Then we will see the video. Is it clear?
Experiment of detecting carbon dioxide gas using clear lime water. Calcium hydroxide, which is known as clear lime water, is used to detect the presence of carbon dioxide gas produced from the reaction of sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate salts. With diluted hydrochloric acid, by passing the gas through clear lime water. What do you observe? Clear lime water turns milky on passing carbon dioxide gas through it for a short time due to the formation of springly soluble calcium carbonate in water. On passing carbon dioxide gas for a longer time, the precipitate disappears, since insoluble calcium carbonate changes into soluble calcium bicarbonate.
No, you're muted.
Oh, sorry. Well, here you can see that after some time, like we learned that previous they got calcium OH plus carbon dioxide and they form calcium carbonate which forms milky color. But now what happened? What happened? That after some time this got disappear. Why disappear? Because when excess carbon dioxide is released, excess carbon dioxide is released for making a formation of calcium hydrogen carbon. Now, because of the formation of this milky color, this understood, guys? Once the milky color was formed, why? Because of the calcium carbon. But when excess carbon dioxide came, okay, when excess carbon dioxide came, because of the excess carbon dioxide, the calcium hydrogen carbon, the problem, but for that, calcium hydrogen carbonate is formed, and this calcium hydrogen carbonate makes the milky color disappear. That is why it is disappear after. Understood, guys? Could you write it down? Could you write it down? Ezekiel, did you understand? No.
Yes,
Ask
sir.
me. Yeah. Shall I just? Now I will. So now I'm giving you 5 minutes to read from page number page number 161 to the page number 1. Could you read it? 5 minutes I'm giving. Page number 161 to one page number 162. Could you read it? And
Page
tell me if
number
you read
161 to
page number 162. Could you read it? I'm giving you 5 minutes. Done? Okay, so we'll stop here only. Okay, because next topic is need one like little more time. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.